Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we show faculty and students how to view discussions in grid view. By default, discussions are in reading view. This view makes it easy to view and read posts. Grid view, by contrast, makes it much easier to get an overview of posts as well as provide other options. Let's get started. In a D2L course, go to the Discussions tab in the course navbar. From there, click on Settings in the upper right corner. Under Default View, select Grid View. Next, scrolling down a bit, find Grid View Settings. Check the box under the Topic Descriptions section. This will allow the topic description to be included in the grid view. Next, click Save in the bottom left corner. This will send us back to the Discussions tab. Click on a topic. When we do, we should see that we now have several adjustable panes. The top pane is the topic information including various threads, as well as the topic description. Clicking on a thread allows us to view that thread in the bottom pane. To view the replies to the thread, we need to select the specific reply in the top pane. We can follow the previous steps to revert back to reading view. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.